The saying, lies, damn lies, and statistics applies in presenting, particularly regarding the dubious claim that 55% of audience impressions are based on appearance. This misquoted figure from Professor Morabian only applies when there is no congruency between your message and your delivery. To maintain audience engagement, speakers must choose their attire wisely. For example, I avoid light blue shirts that can show sweat and prefer wearing a jacket throughout my talks to maintain professionalism. Shoes have to be high shine, and belts and shoe colors must match. In panel presentations, avoid distractions like exposing your hairy shins to the audience. So always wear over-the-calf socks. While this advice focuses on men, similar principles apply to women. Prioritize focus on your face over fashion, ensuring the audience's attention remains on the message rather than the attire. What do you do?